What's ringing, guys? It's Kyle the Ringer again. Just did a video for Pendolino, and since our train is delayed by even longer now, and there's a Transpennine Express arriving, I thought, while we're here, why not film the Transpennine Express as well? It's coming here to platform 4. Don't know which way it's coming from. Ah, there it is. It's arriving from that way. To be honest, even though they're not Pendolinos, the shape of them look a lot like Pendolinos by Avanti West Coast, if you ask me. So I just like to call them Transpennine Express Pendolinos on my videos. We'll see the door open now. I'll do this one since no one's there. A shame that mine's delayed. All the West are running on time. There's no other train delayed, as is supposed to be the 2033 Northern service to Barrow. Oh, someone just shut the door there. Yep, we'll take a look at the front of the train here. Apparently it's going to Manchester Airport. I actually want to ride on one of these once. To be honest with you guys, back when they used to do Northern and Transpennine Express at Barrow in Furness, I used to ride those old ones that look like Class 108 or whatever they are, but I've never actually been on one of these Transpennine Express ones. I might have to go ahead and get ride on one just for a video. Here we go, so it's about to depart now. And there we go, and that was the I'm trying to remember, but I think 2048 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport. I've forgotten exactly what time it said on the service, but that was seeing a Transpennine Express service from a Preston station, and the train is going to Manchester Airport. So if you enjoyed, then please subscribe for future content and keep training to be an amazing YouTuber like me and everyone else. And until next time, ring out.
Check it out. Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please subscribe for future content. And until next time,